guys, and welcome to my channel. For anybody who's returning, thank you so much for coming back. And for anybody who's new, hi, my name is Izzy. So today's video, we are going to be doing a unboxing slash demo slash first thoughts on the Dermaflash Luxe anti-aging exfoliation device. So yeah, it's an anti-aging exfoliation device that instantly reveals smoother, younger, radiant skin. And we all know that I'm a sucker for anything that's going to say that I'm going to look younger. So it is an at-home dermaplaning kit. I do suffer from a little bit of peach fuzz, we all do. It's a little bit more obvious on some people than it is on others. I feel like on my skin it's a little bit more obvious now that I'm in my late 30s. When you open up the box, you have the actual unit that is going to work miracles and make me younger and smoother and more radiant. You get a little cleanser and a little moisturizer in there. And then in the bottom half, you get your little charging stand. Yeah, so it goes on like so, onto the charging stand. You've got the charging cable that's USB and then the bit that goes in. And then you've also got, if I can get it out, you've also got your 4 blades here. So yeah. Oh, they do look quite sharp. So that is what is in the box. I think what's best now is to go ahead, get my makeup off, and we're going to trial it out. So I'll see you in a minute. Right, okay, so I have had my shower. I've took my makeup off. Excuse my Minnie Mouse onesie, but it is snowing outside. I need to be warm, so there we go. So apparently you just slide it and it clicks on. I'm just going to get a blade on there. Oh yeah, and then pulls out. So I just pinged the blade off. So I thought I'd hit the on button, but I'd actually hit the ejector. Ooh, it's floating around. I can see like dead skin. Let's try this side. Yeah, look, you see it coming off? It just feels smooth. What's nice is it doesn't feel like it's gonna cut the skin. I mean, there's literally so much fuzz on there. You can see the dead skin coming off as well. So my face feels really nice and smooth. I'm just going to use the post-flash moisturizer that comes with it. See what this feels like. The cleanser didn't smell particularly scented. Neither does the moisturizer, which is probably a good thing after doing this. It's quite a thick moisturizer actually. My skin feels smooth, really nice and smooth. Much smoother than, well, I'm just going to quickly grab what I used to use. Yeah, so I used to use these. Just get them on Amazon. They are really cheap. I think they're like £3.99 or something like that for a pack of 3. But what I will say is this Dermaflash has definitely made my skin feel a lot smoother than it is when I use the ones that I get on Amazon. Like, that is just so smooth. It definitely does a much better job than this. But it would want to, because this is a lot more expensive. What I'll do, I'm gonna, oh, that's so nice. Now it's the evening time, because I wanted to make sure if I was gonna have any kind of reaction to it or anything like that, I'd have, you know, at least 12 hours before having to go anywhere in public. So what I'll do, I'm gonna come back again tomorrow, and I'll let you know how my skin's been overnight, and I'll also let you know how my makeup goes on. But honestly, that is, my skin just feels so smooth, like so smooth. I wish this had touch and feel YouTube, so that you guys could just reach through the screen and touch my skin, because it's, oh, it feels lovely. It feels really, really smooth. Right, I'll get back to you tomorrow. So guys, I've put my makeup on for the day, and it's just gone on absolutely beautifully. I feel like I've just got a whole new skin. It just feels absolutely gorgeous. Really, really super soft. Really, well, fuzz free, but I just feel like it's a whole new skin. I haven't had any irritation from it overnight. It's just, yeah, it's done a really, really, really nice job. I've always found, like with my old Amazon style one, it's never really got me completely smooth. It's just, there's no way this has ever felt as smooth as what the Dermaflash did. It's absolutely brilliant. It's a lovely at-home dermaplaning kit. It feels nice in the hand. It's not sharp that it's going to cut you, but it gives a really smooth finish, and my makeup has gone on absolutely beautifully. I think it's a blooming good little gadget. I really do. I think it's done a brilliant job. I really do. I rate that a lot. That is something that I'm glad I got. This is in the good gadgets that I have got, for sure. I think I'm really, really impressed with that. That's my thoughts today on the Dermaflash at home dermaplaning kit. For now guys, that's it from me. I hope that you found the video helpful. Please remember that I upload every Tuesday and Saturday. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share out with your friends if you think that it's worth sharing. But for now guys, that's it from me. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.